Mamela, eSouth Africa, la eMzansi, if awukho connected, awukho active on social media, hlala wazi ukuthi awuna justice ozoyithola la eSouth Africa. Especially if uzovula icase, akuna justice system ozoyithola la eSouth Africa. Lanto yenziwe loba buhlungu bento ebenziwe lapha eEastern Cape eMatatiyela. La police station imfailile umama kaChwechwe. Whoever la mama ublide evula icase. La mama mayifika endlini ufike waphunyelwa sisisu la sisi. Evula icase exakana namapolisa waseMatatiyela. And namapolisa Matatiyela, it may be not wonke, but whoever ebemsiza la police station yaseMatatiyela makashaya isifuba amfailile umfazi wase-South Africa. Iyangimangaza ukuthi lesa sikolo besasebenza kanjani, and if it was a black principal ngeba even iChristmas uyidlela ejele, but he was a white guy. Kwafuneka ukuthi adle iChristmas njengami ongenaqala. ESouth Africa mawungekho active uzuhlala wazi ukuthi wena wedwa mama kaChwechwe akuna moto yakho ozoyidayisa, akunandlo ozoyidayisa la eSouth Africa as long as we are still here. Lanto yenzekile ibhlungu and justice system, i-Department of Education ngiyayibona nayo seyivela manje sekumanje nimfailile lamfazi. Lesa sikolo lesafana ukuthi kudala sivaliwe. La mntana lanto eyehle kuye akayideserve. And la mama feeling at urechwe times 2 ekubeni kurechwe umntanakhe. Nayo victim rape by the way. And lanto eyehlele yena angimwisheli nobane nokuhlela kuye. And amapolisa afuna usiprove right ngalento ethi if icase yakho akunamuntu ozoyinaka, if icase yakho akunamuntu ozokhuluma, uhlala wazi ukuthi icase yakho akunalapha ezoyakho. Asiprove right, just estimate is prove right ngalonto leyo. And sanele makachuma siyaxolisa on behalf of men, siyaxolisa sis, it was not supposed to be like that. Umntanakho bengafanekanga ukuthi adlule kuyo yonke lento adlule kuyo, but kuzolunga. Yona kuzolunga nomntanakho uzoyithola ijustice system. Mamelani ke sine problem entsha la eSouth Africa. Sine problem ye-Afroforum because that white guy who supportwa yi-Afroforum, and I'm telling you as the young man of this country, you're gonna have a problem with Afroforum in this country. Sanibonani.